naman na karon kuya oy.
Organic.
Kuha na karon. Gonit ha, kay paspas daw sige gawad. Pangari ah.
Ato lagi pangarian.
Awan ito nagmotor.
Wala, kay kuan baya ganiha.
Oo.
Kuha ko na siya alas 5. Kung alas 4:30 na, balik lang ko.
Basin mo to pa ipagda.
Hi mga langga, so diyan na daita ni abot na ta sa venue sa Juju and Amy Faith wedding. So naan siya nahimutang sa Barangay Macabog, mao ni siya ang Villarosa Garden. Wow, pag abot pa lang namo, so ma-amaze jud ka sa entrada pa lang, nindot kay siya mga flower arrangement and decoration. Samot na jud ani siguro sa sulod. So ato ni pakita ninyo ang sulod nga part. So nindot kayo, ubay-ubay na ang nangabot pero ang bride ug ang groom wala pa. So samtang wala pa sila, so ako say pakita ninyo ang maanindot nga talan-awon sa sulod. So mao na ni siya ang pinaka-entrance jud mosulod na ta. O grabe kayong decoration sa ceiling, mga lights, flower arrangement. So makita ninyo medyo ubay-ubay na ang nangabot na mga bisita, mga family, friends, and relatives. Pero dili pa jud ni siya maodaghan pay kami nga mga bisita. So kami na una na mi diri so samtang wala pa ang groom ug ang bride, ako sa ipakita ninyo ang maanindot nga talan-awon. So sulit jud kayo ang ila gibayad no sa ila venue. Nindot man jud sad kaayo siya. So sulit na sulit jud.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Villarosa Garden, and this is our wedding reception venue sa atong newlywed couple. So we'd like to invite everyone to please take your seats and make yourselves comfortable. kayo nga tanan. Welcome to the day that we've been all waiting for. The day that the family Ibacnias and Santiago have been all waiting for. This is the wedding reception of our newlywed couple, ladies and gentlemen. We have Billy Joe and Emma Faith. And welcome to Villarosa Garden. And this is organized and packaged by AZ Corner. Ato pagbaka ng AZ Corner palihog. Thank you so much, AZ Corner. Mga kaigsunan, my name is DJ Firens from Radyo Natin Ormoc 107.1 and your DJ from Ormoc News and Updates. And welcome to the wedding reception. And we begin magsugod ta with the grand entrances of our whole entourage. And of course, ladies first. Please welcome the maid of honor and the bridesmaids. And they call themselves Team Bride. Ladies and gentlemen, napoy na bantayan, kamuray na nayaw, tapos si Ma'am muna nag-observe. Muna, gusto mo mga section gani? Oo, si Ma'am to class advisor. Ayan, thank you so much. Ladies, din mga area palihog, tanawon na tong boys. Kung tanawon na to kung asa ba ang maskatag. No? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the boys to come join us. We have, please welcome your best man together with the groomsmen, and they call themselves Team Groom Forward! Thank you so much. Okay, center. Ibo na po na sila isayo, Iloy, ladies and gentlemen. Boys Showdown! Welcome the couple. I always say, when the time is right, He, the Lord, will make it happen. And He will make everything beautiful in its time. Just like, ladies and gentlemen, in these two people now united in love and marriage, together with their lovely daughter, ladies and gentlemen. Mo na ginaingon nga, basta Palawan Pawn Shop, mabilis. walang kuskus balungos ing ana jud, ladies and gentlemen. And it's my honor and pleasure to welcome for the very first time ever as husband and wife, we have Mr. and Mrs. Billy Joe and Emmy Faith Ibanez Santiago! Pagpabilin tag tindog, we will agree to two things, please. Raise your right hand. Thumbs up, palihog. Muna yun yung buhaton. Raise your thumbs up, everybody. Raise your thumbs up, please. Please all stand. We will do this for our newlywed couple, and we will agree to two things. First, by raising your thumbs up, first, we will agree, una, that we will love them, we will support them, we will respect them, and we will pray for them. Yes or no lang? Will you all agree? Yes! Now, since we'll agree to love them, to support them, and to respect them, then second thing, we will agree na dili dayon mo uli human sa panihapon. Yes or no ra? Will you all agree? Yes! So, yes. Nagtikaluya man. Anyways, and of course, I hope nga magpabilin dyan mo kay it's been 5 years. No nga nag-ready, they've been dreaming of this wonderful wedding. And of course, Billy Joe, Faith, please face each other. 5 years of togetherness. And since today is a new beginning, then we want to see 10 seconds of kiss. Ano si Faith? Walang anong 10 mo? Sige, kaya mo yan, Tiyan. Alright, 10 seconds. 3, let's count together. 3, 2, 1, and kiss. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Iba talaga mag-alagang Palawan, no? Thank you so much. Daghang salamat. The couple will stay here. Everybody, you may now take your seats. Daghang salamat.
Thank you for watching, mga langga. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Bye! Thank you all sa pag-suporta sa aming munting channel. God bless everyone. See you in our next vlog.